The era of abusing our nation's immigration system is over. Yes, the Department of United States Citizenship and Immigration Services has brought some structural changes in their existing policies, or has put forth a new notable policy which says, or which states, that any person who is seeking a green card in the United States of America, which implies a permanent residency in the United States of America, must leave United States first, go back to his or her home country, and shall apply for the green card or a permanent residency through US consulate, US embassy, or US State Department from their home country. Yes, the Trump administration has already made it clear and totally apparent that any alien who wishes to illegally reside in the United States of America shall not do so. But wait, there are some extraordinary circumstances and exceptions. Number one, anybody who is the victim of human trafficking. Number two, anybody who is the victim of any kind of violence. And number three, who wants the naturalization process in the United States of America, are the categories of people who may not leave the United States of America even while seeking permanent residency or green card. Last but not the least, if you are bringing substantial economic resources in your individual capacity to the United States of America, you are also exempted from these new structural changes of the immigration services. Yes, which implies that you won't leave United States while seeking their permanent residency, either if you are bringing some substantial economic resources with them, or some kind of expertise or skills that should be exceptional in nature and should align with their nationalistic interest. Thank you.